After all, we're family.
Now this is what I like to see. Rivals turned ally. You know there's no me in team, right, boys?
Yes, there is.
Windled. Good? Huh? Perfect. Good.
So what are you gonna do?
Well, I'm gonna give you a chance to give me what I want. What's 3 days, huh?
72 hours.
That's all you get, Scott. 72 hours.
What if I can't?
Oh, come on, McCall. That's not a winning attitude.
Go, huddle up. Let's go. Big night. Big night.
That one, that's Jackson.
Holy hotness. Oh, if I was in high school again. Maybe just a substitute teacher.
You are sick.
You should be all over that. Chris, remember how we were talking about a second beta? Younger one?
Yes.
Can you get turned by Scratch?
If the claws go deep enough. Maybe.
Wonder how deep those went.
Ready? Yeah! Now let's say it so they can hear it. Hands in. What are we? We are the Roar! That's right. Take the field. Let's go!